Hey, what's up? Spencer here, and today I just wanted to quickly demo a really cool and unique product that we have. It's the Sony 5-disc SACD player, or Super Audio CD player. We've got two different variations available. It's the SCD-CE595 and the SCD-CE775. The 775 is a lot prettier. It's got this nice mirror for the front display on the door. And the remote control for it is a little more intricate than the CE595. This is for the CE775 right here. And then this remote right here is for the CE595. Both of these are going to be excellent CD players, especially if you're using SACDs. These are awesome, but they do of course play standard CDs as well. The best way to use these is put them on shuffle and have them randomly play music. So on the 595, you've got your disc selection right there, and then a menu button for accessing the different options. You can switch between SACD and CD mode, multi-channel or two-channel mode. You've got the different play modes, so you can change it between, I'll show you. Got a push stop, and then we've got one disc, program play, all discs, one disc or all discs shuffle, and then continue play. And then you've got your playback controls, play, stop, pause, fast forward, rewind, and then automatic music search. You can skip to the next track. The exchange button, that's going to be useful for, that's going to let you change 4 CDs while one continues to play. And then you've got the disc skip button, of course. And the CE775 has pretty much the same options. Instead of the play mode button, you can quickly choose the play mode. And you've got repeat, time, and text that will change the display. And something else that's really nice about these is they do have text display, which means that if the CD you have loaded in there has the text feature on it, it will display the name of the track and the name of the CD. But this CD in here doesn't have it, so it's not gonna do it. And then on the right side, you've got all your play controls again, and then it looks like menu, SACD, and CD, and multi-channel and two-channel. All of those options are on the right. And this one does also feature a headphone jack. The 595 does not have that. And then you can control the volume of it right there. On the rear panel, you've got all your inputs and outputs. The 775 is going to have a little bit more. It's got the control input and output for connecting it to your sound system and controlling it from the receiver. Then it's also got a 2-channel output. The 595 has only a 5-channel output, but it can be used as 2-channel if you just do the red and the white. The front speakers. And then they've both got optical digital audio. The 595 is a little newer. It was manufactured in September of 2004, and the 775 was manufactured in June of 2001. I've got it all wired up, and I'm going to let you hear it really briefly, but only briefly just to avoid any copyright issues. So we've got the bottom one connected to this Carver receiver. I'm going to switch it over to the 595 just so you can hear that one as well. In my opinion, the CE775 just sounds absolutely amazing, and it sounds way better than your standard CD player. This is definitely one of the best CD players you can get. The 595 is very nice as well, but it's just not quite the 775. So if you're looking for probably just about the best 5-disc CD player you can get from Sony, this 775 is the way to go. If you're looking to purchase either of these devices or anything similar, you can check out our website at SpenCertified.com and order on there. The link will be in the description. And thanks a lot for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.